CEO, artificial intelligence has incredible potential, but it also brings forth significant concerns. CEO, my biggest fear about the AI revolution is the lack of control we may have over its development. CEO, as AI systems become more powerful and intelligent, there's a risk of them surpassing human understanding. CEO, we can't predict their behavior or fully comprehend the complex algorithms they rely upon. CEO, this lack of control could lead to unintended consequences, affecting our society in profound ways. CEO, to address this, it's crucial that we establish clear ethical guidelines and robust regulatory frameworks. CEO, we must foster collaboration among governments, industries, and experts to ensure AI progress aligns with human values. CEO, by engaging all stakeholders, we can collectively shape the development of AI tools for the benefit of all. CEO, together, we can avoid the dangers and make sure AI revolution works in harmony with humanity. CEO, thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and its impact on society.